What is up, guys? George with another video and another adventure. We're gonna be heading towards Anaheim, California. We're gonna be visiting my good friend Rich at VTX Wheels. If you're wondering if I'm gonna be buying some new rims or a new set of wheels, the answer is no. What I am gonna be doing is picking up a fifth wheel for my spare tire. You might be wondering, George, where are you gonna put that spare tire because you're running big tires? You'll see. All right, so we just got to VTX, but before we go inside, I'm gonna show you guys some awesome rigs. Some you've seen on my Taco Tuesdays, and the others you have not, but I'm gonna show you guys, so check them out. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that small little video of those tacos. Now we're going to be entering the warehouse. We're going to catch this guy off guard, see what he's doing. No, he's not here. Where is he at?
George?
What's up, dude?
I was just looking for my mouse.
So let me tell you guys a little bit about the new addition that I'm going to be doing to the truck. It is a rear bumper, and it also gives me the option of having a swing out with the capability of carrying my spare tire in the back portion of the truck. So with that being said, I'm not gonna give you guys any details when it comes down to the company that I'm going with, but I'll tell you this much: the bumper is not brand new. It is used. I bought it from someone, but it is new to me. So with that being said, you guys can definitely comment down below and guess what company I went with when it comes down to this bumper. I am here at Lowe's. I'm gonna be buying some hardware that I need to replace a couple of things that need some minor tweaking and minor adjustments. So enough said, let's go. All right, so just made it out with the boys. Hey. So Edward, I was telling him that I bought this thing used, and it's a pretty good. Looks good?
Yeah, it looks really good, dude.
I mean, it has a little imperfections here and there, and the main part is that the bolts that hold the tire sheared off. So these guys are gonna do their magic.
I'm gonna have to cut them off and then re-weld them. They're already.
Well, that was quick. This guy, he's got it down, man. What were you gonna say?
That's like a camera.
Up next, Chris is gonna do his magic. He's gonna be welding the new bolts. Hopefully, it stays on there pretty good.
Hopefully.
Hand away, you're not ready. I'm pretty sure this right here will.
After welding the bolts, actually I say we, but I didn't do anything. I was just watching, recording. But after Chris welded the bolts, we're gonna just make sure that the wheel is sitting properly, obviously evened. And so far it looks like it's sitting pretty good. What kind of warranty are you giving me, bro?
What's up?
What kind of warranty are you? 30 days?
Money not back.
5 months. Something happens, come back. I got you.
He said 5 months. It's usually 6 months.
How special.
You know,
It's a special deal.
Yeah, you don't want to risk that extra month.
all right, guys. What do you think? What do you think, Chris? Like,
Yeah, man.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Come around.
Oh man, this looks great.
For now. We'll see how long it lasts.
Just don't take it off-roading.
This part of the video is done. Everything is nice and secured thanks to Chris and the homie Edward. So if you guys want to keep watching updates of this bumper going on the truck, make sure you guys stay tuned. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.